I'm Susan. I hope everybody's doing great today. Today I'm making a Kentucky butter cake. It sounds delicious, so I'm willing to give it a try. For this recipe, we'll need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of granulated sugar. We'll need 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 cup of butter softened, 4 eggs, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. You'll want to mix your flour, your sugar, your salt, your baking powder, and your baking soda together. And then you'll want to blend in using your electric mixer your buttermilk, butter, eggs, and vanilla. You'll want to beat this on medium speed for about 3 minutes. I almost forgot my vanilla. Now I've had my oven preheating to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and I sprayed this Bundt pan with Baker's Joy. And now you just want to add in your cake batter, and you want to cook it for about an hour. It only took about 50 minutes in my oven. You just want to cook it until a toothpick comes out clean. For the butter sauce, we'll need 3/4 cup of white sugar, 1/3 cup of butter, 3 tablespoons of water, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. You'll want to mix all these ingredients into a saucepan and cook it over medium heat until everything's melted together. You do not want it to come to a boil. And you also want to start your butter sauce right before you think the cake is going to be done. Mine was about 8 minutes before it was done. And this is what it should look like. When the cake's warm out of the oven, you want to poke holes all over your cake. I'm using an ice pick. You can use a skewer. I didn't have skewers, so I'm just using my ice pick and just poking holes all through it. And then you want to pour your warm butter sauce over the cake and let it sit in the pan till it cools about 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, I turned my cake out onto a cake platter, and it came out so nicely. This cake was really good. It was so moist and delicious, and I got that piece when it was warm. You can see the butter sauce right through there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I really highly recommend this cake. It was so good. So until next time, y'all, have a great day. Bye.